Hey guys, it's Justin again with another very quick video. This is going to be a lot of editing, a lot of talking, and a lot of me just doing stuff without explaining what or why. So, today is February the 19th. It is Wednesday. So not this coming Saturday, but the following Saturday is ODO. It's Old Dominion Open. It's an IPMS event. And I have two models and maybe one or two minis that I want to take with me to this event. But I want to see if I can knock out one more. So, what do I have? The Master Grade Alex. This was sent to me by Zach. You all know him, but I'm going to put a link to him down below anyway, or up here somewhere. I'll figure it out. Not important right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this whole thing apart, and I'm going to try to paint the entire thing, detail it, and have it done by ODO. And hopefully I can do it. I have a very cool color scheme in mind. I've racked my brain over this for about an hour and a half now. My original thoughts were I was going to do like a pearl white, and then all the blue stuff was going to be like pink or like a gradient pink or something like that. And then I kind of wanted to work orange in somehow. I wanted to do something for my wife basically. But through this whole process, I have cooked up another kind of insane color scheme that I really want to do. So we're going to try it. So I'm not going to jump into details yet. I'm just going to let you watch the video. And if you don't want to watch the video, you can skip to the end and see what it looks like. But hopefully we can get this done by Old Dominion. So step one is we're going to take this guy apart. We're going to break it down into segments. We're going to put things where they're going to be painted. And I'm going to try and sort things by importance. This shouldn't be too difficult to do. There are some things in my color scheme that are going to require a little bit more love than others. But in the grand scheme of things, I think that what I want to do is very doable if I adhere to a decent schedule and hold myself to some standard of getting things done. Truthfully, if I sit down and I work on like one color a day, I should have plenty of time to get this finished by ODO, no problem. But we're gonna see what happens. I have to take the stickers off. Zach put stickers on this for the review, and yeah, so I'm gonna tear this guy apart, and we'll head upstairs and do some video stuff with painting. Yay! All right, guys. So it is the 24th. Let me get you your evidence. It is the 24th, and we are done. um, so I have a couple little things left to do on this. I have a little bit left to panel line. I have a couple of small details I want to paint, but it's mostly ready for. I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put another gloss coat on it just to level out my decals a little bit. I'm going to let that sit, and then we're going to flat coat everything twice so that everything is nice and protected. Everything looks good. But yeah, I actually did most of the painting. Most of the painting was finished by day 2. I really kicked it into overdrive on this one. I'm very happy with the way it came out. I think the transitions and the gradients look really cool. Um, it's pretty good, I think, for my first time doing this. I think if I had made this like a normal project and not like a speed paint, I think it would have come out a little bit differently. One thing I think I would do different if I had approached this a a different or with more time in mind. I think all of my little mini thrusters would have been orange, maybe. Just for the contrast, and I think I would have used my cool purple that I use for the vents on the things that hold those little thrusters. I think that would have looked pretty nice. I think in my main transition, the pink to orange to yellow, I think I would have incorporated a little bit more purple in before the pink and done a 4-color transition instead of just 3. And I think I would have worked a little bit harder to make my cool purples pop a little bit more. I'm happy with everything in the way it all came out. But those are some things I think I would definitely tweak if I were to do something like this again. Um, like I said, I'm super pleased with the way this has come out. I haven't done the armor. I think the armor will be a future project. Um, I want to do like a kind of a contrasting color scheme to the orange. So I'm thinking like blues and teals for the armor. But that's, again, another video for another time. This was meant to just be a quick speed paint knock it out and have it ready for ODO. So mission accomplished there. Unless something goes catastrophically wrong with my top coat, we are ready. I think I might. Oh, I didn't put any decals on the backpack. So we're gonna put some decals on the backpack. But besides that, this is like 98% finished, and I'm very pleased with it. So right after this, I'm gonna go ahead and stick a gallery. This is gonna be like 2 days in the future, and everything's gonna be all done, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next whip. Later.